Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel Financeable. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to buy crypto in Bitget Wallet. Now let us begin. Well, do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do it right now. It is quite easy. Now let us simply look at how to buy crypto. Well, at the top left, you can easily see the buy crypto button right here. Simply hover over it. Now what you can do is select among all these options. Select whichever one is comfortable with you. For now, I want to go to credit or debit card. I'm gonna click on it. And that's it. What you have to do is simply enter the amount of the money that you want to spend. Let's say I enter this much, and as you can see, for this much amount, I received this much crypto. Note that you can also change the network right here. Well, this is it. You can also change your currency. And once you've done that, simply click on this buy USDT button. Else what you can do is simply focus on the trade button at the nav bar. Right next to market, you can see the trade button. Simply hover over it and just click on spot. There are lots of options like the current value of the cryptos and everything. You can also change this, like right here, simply click on this drop down and select the network. And that is it. And at the right hand side, you can see the buy and sell option. In case you want to sell them, click on sell, else click on buy. Simply enter the quantity right here. And once you've done that, click on buy BGP. After that, simply select the one which is most suitable for you and just follow along the prompts. That is it guys. That's how we buy crypto in Bitget Wallet. It's quite easy. If you guys found this video informative and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.